Hello and welcome back to my channel. So if you know me, you know I love spring fashion. I'm also super obsessed with spring footwear styles, and in today's video I have so many super cute, super stylish spring shoes that are also insanely comfortable, because what is worse than an uncomfortable shoe? You know, so do not sacrifice the style for the comfort. All of these shoes are from Vivaia, and Vivaia has a mission for sustainability, and on top of that, really cute styles and really comfortable shoes. But before we get into all of that, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every single week. And yeah, let's get into some super cute shoes. So like I said, all of these shoes are super cute and so fun for springtime. This first pair, right off the bat, we got something fun in the box. They come with these super cute little shoe charms, so you can style up your shoes in such a cute, fun little springy way. These also do come with some extra laces, this super cute pink color, and pink for spring. It's just iconic, you know? And here is the first style, and these are so fun. Let me take out some of the packaging and get a good look at them. So these are the hybrid Mary Janes, and you can see they have this super breathable knit, which on a hot spring day, love a breathable shoe. These are also machine washable, so you get them dirty, just literally throw them in the washing machine, no problems. They're also super cute. Look how fun, and I love the mix of this very girly style. You got like a good grippy sole going on here, so it's a cute mix of a little bit sporty but also very girly, and these laces are really cute. You can tie them up with these. You also, like I said, have the extra laces, so if you kind of want to switch them out and switch it up. These are also, like I said, super cute, have the little charms with them where you can just style it however you want. So I literally just threw them on, and look how cute it is with the little charms on here. This is such a fun way to style up the shoe, you know, add your own little pizzazz. And yeah, these are super cute, super comfortable. The inside is seriously so soft in here, and just having this really flexible knit on the outside also makes them really comfortable shoes, as well as the breathability. But yeah, these are so pretty, such a fun little pop of pink for the springtime, and yeah, just a fun little girly but kind of sporty vibe to upgrade your spring outfits. And speaking of outfits, I will be styling all these shoes in a couple different ways, because I'm telling you, these are so versatile and you could make so many outfits with these shoes. So definitely wait to the end. I'll be styling these up super cute, so just wait for that. But next I'll move into another super cute spring style from Vivaia. So this next pair is their Margo Mary Jane 3.0, and these are so cool. Like, when I talk about a cool girl shoe, I feel like these are such a cool girl shoe. So let me show you. And these shoes are so incredibly comfortable and have so many features that just make them more comfortable than shoes you probably already own. First, they have this really nice quilted bottom that is so soft. They also have extra padding around the heel, because I feel like for me, this back heel portion can be so uncomfortable. So to have the extra padding there is so nice. And then just the shoe itself is super soft and flexible. And again, that just all adds to the insane comfort of the shoe. And the inside is removable. So this is their insole. It has some built-in arch support, and it is just so comfortable and like so flexible. So we love. I also love the square toe box, and it is a slight slanted design that just helps make it a lot more comfortable for your feet up here. Like they don't feel all smushed and cramped. And similar to the last pair, these are also machine washable. So if you get them dirty, throw them in the washing machine. And not to mention, just the style of these are so funky and so cool. Like I said, these are such a cool girl shoe. I love the exaggerated belt buckle on here, and it is just fun and chunky and just really adds an edgy element to your outfit. Any sort of plain regular base outfit, this will definitely bring up to be a more cool girl edgy style, which obviously I love. I think that is so fun. But yeah, again, I will be styling these at the end of the video, and these ones are particularly really fun to style because I love just diving into that edgier look, and yeah, these are super cute. So if you want to add some edginess to your spring outfits, definitely go with these ones. Not me saving the best for last, but kind of me saving the best for last. This style, I was so excited to get. It's so cute. Let me just show you and stop talking about it. Look at the packaging. Look how cute. Absolutely gorgeous. Are you kidding me? This is so beautiful. So if this gives you any indication of how beautiful the shoes are gonna be, spoiler, they're so gorgeous. Here they are. Ah, look how cute these are. Let me take this out so you can see them in all of their glory. I'm so obsessed with these. So they're this beautiful embroidered mesh, and these are so gorgeous. Like, this is spring in a shoe. I don't know what else to say. These are absolutely stunning and so cute. Like, I'm actually like speechless. This is literally a wearable masterpiece. This beautiful embroidery. It's also this incredibly breathable mesh. It has super soft insoles here and just so flexible, lightweight, so cute and so comfortable. All of the comfort. These are so like squishy and soft, and yeah, just a super beautiful shoe and a super comfortable shoe. And like all the other pairs I talked about, these are also machine washable. So yeah, I am so obsessed with this style. I think they're so cute and girly. And these are the Margo Mary Jane style with this beautiful mesh embroidery detail on them. And these are such an iconic spring shoe. So if you want to be iconic this spring, these are for you. All right, now for the fun part of the video where I go ahead and style all of these super cute spring shoes. I do have quite a few outfits to pull together for you guys, so I'll put them up in here, but these shoes are all so versatile. Like, there are so many different ways you can dress them up, add them to so many different outfits, add some edge, add some girliness, add some softness, add some sportiness. So all of these shoes are so fun to style. I love all of the colors of them. We got the pastel pinks with the edgy and the beautiful mesh embroidery. So many fun different ways to style these. Again, super comfortable, out and about. These are such great everyday shoes, so you can definitely be wearing them to run all your errands, go to all the cute girly coffee shops. They also make styling an outfit so effortless because you can have such a simple base, top and bottom, and you boom, add a pair of these shoes and it just automatically elevates your entire look. So a super great secret weapon to styling your outfits is having really cute shoes to go with them. So yeah, that's kind of my whole little unboxing and styling some super cute spring shoe styles from Vivaia. And as always, I will be linking all of these shoes in the description down below for you guys to check out for yourselves. A lot of these styles come in a lot of different color options, so if you didn't see colors you liked in this video, don't worry, there are a lot of different options online. Definitely check out the links down below. And if you just enjoyed this style video talking about some spring footwear trends, styling some spring outfits, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends, and if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.